In this video, we will introduce the prep for FCP_FGT_AD 7.6 FCP, FortiGate 7.6 Administrator Exam. What is FCP_FGT_AD 7.6 FCP, FortiGate 7.6 Administrator Exam? Certification tracks covered. Prerequisites. Who should take the exam? Key exam information. Exam topics. Tips to pass the exam. 1. Which two IP pool types are useful for carrier-grade NAT deployments? Choose 2. A. Port block allocation. B. Fixed port range. C. 1-to-1. D. Overload. 2. An administrator needs to inspect all web traffic, including internet web traffic, coming from users connecting to the SSL VPN. How can this be achieved? A. Assigning public IP addresses to SSL VPN users. B. Configuring web bookmarks. C. Disabling split tunneling. D. Using web-only mode. 3. What is the common feature shared between IPv4 and SD-WAN ECMP algorithms? A. Both can be enabled at the same time. B. Both support volume algorithms. C. Both control ECMP algorithms. D. Both use the same physical interface load balancing settings. 4. What are two benefits of flow-based inspection compared to proxy-based inspection? Choose 2. A. FortiGate uses fewer resources. B. FortiGate performs a more exhaustive inspection on traffic. C. FortiGate adds less latency to traffic. D. FortiGate allocates 2 sessions per connection. 5. Which 3 statements explain a flow-based antivirus profile? Choose 3. A. Flow-based inspection uses a hybrid of the scanning modes available in proxy-based inspection. B. If a virus is detected, the last packet is delivered to the client. C. The IPS engine handles the process as a standalone. D. FortiGate buffers the whole file but transmits to the client at the same time. E. Flow-based inspection optimizes performance compared to proxy-based inspection. 6. Which 3 criteria can FortiGate use to look for a matching firewall policy to process traffic? Choose 3. A. Services defined in the firewall policy. B. Highest to lowest priority defined in the firewall policy. C. Destination defined as Internet services in the firewall policy. D. Lowest to highest policy ID number. E. Source defined as Internet services in the firewall policy. 7. What does the command diagnose debug FSSO polling refresh user do? A. It refreshes all users learned through agentless polling. B. It displays status information and some statistics related to the polls done by FortiGate on each DC. C. It refreshes user group information from any servers connected to FortiGate using a collector agent. D. It enables agentless polling mode real-time debug. 8. An administrator wants to monitor their network for any probing attempts aimed to exploit existing vulnerabilities in their servers. Which two items must they configure on their FortiGate to accomplish this? Choose 2. A. A web application firewall profile to check protocol constraints. B. A DOS policy, and log all UDP and TCP scan attempts. C. An IPS sensor to monitor all signatures applicable to the server. D. An application control profile, and set all application signatures to monitor. 9. Which two statements about the application control profile mode are true? Choose 2. A. It uses flow-based scanning techniques, regardless of the inspection mode used. B. It cannot be used in conjunction with IPS scanning. C. It can be selected in either flow-based or proxy-based firewall policy. D. It can scan only unsecure protocols. 10. Which are two benefits of using SD-WAN? Choose 2. A. FortiGate performs per-packet distribution across multiple SD-WAN members. B. WAN is used effectively. C. Application steering is available. D. Firewall policies are not required. Check the correct answers for each question. Subscribe Passert for more IT exam prep.